Good day, everyone. Let us now discuss the lesson 26, which is compounding more than once a year. Let's now proceed to our lesson proper. First is conversion or the interest period, which is the time between successive conversion of interest. Second, frequency or the interest conversion, which is the number of conversion in 1 year. Third, nominal rate is the annual rate of interest. Fourth, rate of interest per unit conversion, effective interest rate, which is J is equal to IM over M. And lastly, total number of conversion period, which is N is equal to TM. Now, let us proceed to compound interest. Here is the formula. F is equal to P, open parenthesis 1, plus R, close parenthesis to the power of T. Transpose to F is equal to P, open parenthesis 1, plus J, close parenthesis to the power of N. J stands for the rate of interest per conversion or the effective interest rate. M stands for frequency of conversion, and N stands for the total number of conversions. Now let's proceed to the next slide. This formula F stands for the future value. This formula is for the compound interest. F stands for the future value, P for principal, IM for nominal rate in decimal, M for frequency of conversion, and T for time in years. Let's proceed to the compounding duration. So we have 6 compounding durations with its own frequency of conversion. First is annually. Annually or for a year we have 1, semi-annually 2, quarterly 4, monthly 12, so we have 12 months per year, weekly 52, so we have 52 weeks per year, and daily we have 365 days a year. So sample problem of compound interest. So find the maturity value in the compound interest if 10,000 pesos is deposited in a bank at 2% compounded quarterly for 5 years. So here is the process for your solution. Step 1 is to identify the given. First is the principal. So the principal here is the 10,000. Next is the nominal rate, which is 2% or in decimal is 0.02. Next is frequency, which is 4, and the time is 5 years. Step 2 is to identify what is being asked. So let us identify what is being asked, which is the future value. So next is to solve the problem. Step 3 is solution, which is you only copy the formula. F is equal to P, open parenthesis 1, plus IM over M, close parenthesis. So write the given. P, which is 10,000, given 1 is given, plus 0.02, which is the IM, and 4 for the M, to the power of time for 5 years, and then the meter M4 for 4. So the total of that one is 11,048.96. So next is identify the given. 50,000 for F. IM is equal to 12% or 0.12 in decimal, M for 12, and T for 6 years. Next is identify what is being asked. Step 3 is solve. Given the formula, and then next you will write the given, which is the 5,000 for P, open parenthesis 1 plus IM, which is 0.12 over 12, 6 times, to the raised to the power of 6 times 12. And the answer for that is 102,354.96. Here is the now let us proceed to the formula of the future value, which is F is equal to P open parenthesis 1 IM over M close parenthesis to the power of TM. Here is the formula for the present value. P is equal to F over open parenthesis 1 plus IM over M close parenthesis to the power of TM. For example, find the present value of 150,000 at 15% interest compounded monthly for 6 years. So, after we find the given, we are now going to solve. So, it is the present value. So, P is equal to F over open parenthesis 1 plus IM over M to the power of DM. So 150,000 over 1 plus 0.15 over 12 to the power of 6 times 12. So the answer for the present value of this problem is 61,326.61. Next sample problem. How much should Kyla set aside and invest in a fund earning 3.5% compounded quarterly if she needs 75,000 in 15 months? So, I base C is equal to F minus P. So, I base C is equal to 11,048.96 minus 10,000. So, it is equals 1,048.96. Let's go to another sample problem. Minari borrows 50,000 and promises to pay the principal and interest at 12% compounded monthly. How much must she repay after 6 years? First is identify the given, identify what is asked, then solve. That's all, guys, for our discussion. Now let's have a recap. The general formula for the future value is F is equal to P. The general formula is F is equal to P 1 open parenthesis 1 plus J to the power of N. The rate per conversion or the effective interest rate formula is J is equal to IM over M. The total conversions formula is equal to N. N equals DM. The future value formula is F is equal to P open parenthesis 1 plus IM over M to the power close parenthesis to the power of TM. And lastly, the present value formula, which is P is equal to F over open parenthesis 1 plus IM over M close parenthesis to the power of TM. Good day.